If you have diabetes, you need to abstain from all carbohydrates. True or false? False. If you have diabetes, you need to modify your diet. In fact, carbohydrates account for up to half the body's energy needs. Instead of eating simple carbohydrates which cause a surge in blood sugar levels, eat more starch-based carbohydrates. Eat fruits in moderation as they contain sugar. Consume sufficient fiber to slow down your body's carbohydrate absorption. Animal protein has relatively less carbs than plant-based proteins and dairy products. Hence, they do not raise blood sugar levels. Maintain a healthy weight. Strive to maintain a healthy body mass index. The heavier you weigh, the higher your diabetes risk. Consult an Ayurvedic expert and include Dr. MADHU AMRIT Ayurvedic taps in your diet. This therapy helps maintain normal sugar levels over longer periods of time, that too naturally.